guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make polls on Instagram. Well, first you're going to do is go to the home screen, slide left, and then just take a photo of something, and then you slide up, and then there is a lot of things that you can do on there. Click poll, and then I'm just going to do a random question like, I have no clue, but like, do you like mint green? That's a good one. And then, while I'm typing this out, this is like a voiceover right now. So yeah, and then they can click yes, and then they can click no. And then that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and don't miss my other videos. Bye.